Chapter 4.2 Adding and Subtracting and Multiplying Polynomials. Example number 1. Example number 1, letter A. Add the two polynomials in a vertical format. So we are going to write the two polynomials in a vertical format. So x cubed negative 10x squared, and there is no x term, so we're going to write 0x plus 8. And add these two polynomials. So this is 3 plus 1, this is 4x cubed minus 8x squared minus x plus 1. So your final answer is 4x cubed 8x squared minus x plus 1 in a standard form. Standard form means that you're going to write the polynomial from highest degree to the lowest degree, or highest exponent to the lowest exponent. Letter B, we are going to add these two polynomials horizontally, and you're going to add the two like terms. If you find any like terms, then you're going to connect them. So in this case, the like term that I found is for 9y cube. I didn't find anything, so I would keep the 9y cube as is. For the next one, I find that the 3y squared can be attached with 5y squared, so that's going to be negative 2y squared. Negative 2y plus y is just y, and 1 minus 4 is negative 3. So combine the like terms horizontally and you will get your polynomial in standard form. Now you're going to try 1 and 2. Pause the video and try 1 and 2 and then match the answers with me. For question number 1, I'm going to write this polynomial here on the top, and on the bottom I'm going to underline this polynomial. So x cubed underneath x cubed, x squared underneath x squared term. We do not have any x terms, so I'm going to write 0x, and constant term under constant term. Then you're going to add them, and you're going to get 2 plus 1, 3x cubed. X squared minus 7 would be negative 6x squared. Negative 3 plus 0 is negative 3x. 4 minus 2 is 2. For the second question, I'm going to add them horizontally, which means that I'm going to combine the like terms. I didn't see any like term with y cubed, so keep the negative 4y cubed as is. 2y squared can be combined with y squared, so that's going to be 3y squared. Negative y, negative 6 would be negative 7y, and then 2 plus 9 is 11. Always write the equation or the polynomial in a standard form, which means the highest exponent in the front, then the lowest, and then the lowest, and constant. Example number 2, subtracting polynomials vertically and horizontally. So when you're subtracting polynomials, one thing you want to make sure is that you're going to distribute the negative inside first and then combine or like terms. So I'm going to write the first polynomial on the top, and the one we distributed is negative 2x cubed negative 6x squared plus x minus 1. So just remember that you're distributing this negative inside first and writing underneath this polynomial. And then you're going to combine those two polynomials. That is going to be 6x cubed minus negative 9x squared minus x plus 8. And that's going to be your answer. For letter B, you're going to combine the like terms horizontally. Again, first thing you want to do is to distribute the negative inside, so you get negative 3z squared minus z plus 4. Combining the like terms, you're going to get 2z squared minus 3z squared would be negative z squared. The next is plus 2z plus 4. And that's going to be your final answer. Now you're going to pause the video and try the next two problems and we'll go over together. So for number 1, I distributed the negative first. So I got negative 3x cubed underneath 5x cubed, negative 5x squared underneath negative 4x squared, plus x underneath negative 3x, and I'm going to get negative 8 underneath 1. So when I combine these like terms, I got the answer 2x cubed minus 9x squared minus 4x minus 7. Now I'm going to add the next one. First, distribute the negative inside. So you get negative 5z squared plus z and negative 3. Combine the like terms, you get 2z squared, negative 4z plus z is negative 3z, and then the constant is negative 3. Example number 3, multiplying polynomials vertically and horizontally. Letter A, multiply in a vertical format. So in a vertical format, it looks like this. The polynomial one on the top, and then we are going to multiply with x minus 3. We're going to multiply it in a traditional way. So 3 times 4, negative 12, negative 3 times 2, negative 6, negative 3 times x squared is 3x squared. I'm going to write down 0 on the bottom and now multiply the x times 4, which is 4x, and x times 2 would be 2x squared. Then x times negative x squared would be negative x cubed. And you're going to now add them. So you get negative 12, negative 2x. Here you're going to get negative x squared and then x cubed. So your final answer is going to be negative x cubed minus x squared minus 2x minus 12. For this question, I'm going to use a box method. So I prefer always a box method to solve these type of problems. The bigger polynomial, I wrote it on the top, and the binomial, I wrote on the side. So all you have to do is that multiply all of them and fill this box and combine the like terms. I'm going to fill the box. Y times 3y squared is 3y cubed. Y times negative 2y is 2y squared. Y times 2 is 2y. This is going to be 15y squared. 5 times negative 2, 10y, and 5 times 2 would be 10. Now we are going to combine the like term. I don't see any term can be combined with 3y cubed. And the next one is 15y squared minus 2y squared. That's going to be 13y squared. Negative 10y plus 2y is negative 8y. And the last is 10. So that's going to be your answer. I'm going to try the next two problems and match the answers with me. You can try the vertical format or box method, any of them, but I prefer box method. So it's up to you if you want to try both of them one by one or just try the box method. So I'm trying the box method for both of them. So on the box, I wrote the top polynomial on here, the beginning one, and the binomial here. So you're going to fill the box, multiply this and this, x times 2x squared, 2x cubed, x times negative 3x is negative 3x squared, x times 5 is 5x. Negative 2 times 2 would be negative 4x squared, negative 2 times negative 3 is 6x, negative 2 times 5 would be negative 10. Combine the like terms. So 2x cubed here, combine these two like terms, that's negative x squared. Combine these like terms, 11x minus 10. For question number 2, I'm writing this polynomial on the top. There are 3 terms on the top and the 2 terms here. I'm going to complete this table by multiplying each of them and then I'm going to combine the like terms to get the answer, and the answer is in standard form 2y cubed 16y squared minus 4y squared, that's 12y squared. Negative 32 plus 3 is negative 29y, and then 24. Example number 4, multiplying three binomials. I'm going to do this question in two steps. First, I'm going to multiply these two factors by using box method. So I'm going to make a box for two binomial, and on the top this is x minus 1 and this is x plus 4. When you multiply, you get x squared negative x. 4 times x is 4x negative 4. Combine the like terms, you're going to get here is x squared. 4x minus x would be 3x minus 4, and the x plus 5 will remain as it is. Now I'm going to make a box to multiply the polynomial x squared plus 3x minus 4 times x plus 5. So write the three terms on the top and then the two terms here, and I'm going to multiply these two right here, these two, and right here, these two, and right here. So I'm going to complete this box. So x times x squared, x cubed, x times 3x is 3x squared, x times negative 4 is negative 4x. This is going to be 5x squared, 15x minus 20. Now combine the like terms. So here I'm going to get x cubed. Combining these two, you're going to get plus 8x squared. 15x minus 4 would be 11x minus 20. So for number 2, I multiply these two, and for this one I made a box. X plus 2 I wrote on the top, x minus 1 here. X times x is I get x squared, x times 2 would be 2x. Negative 1 times x would be negative x. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. Combining the like terms, I got the polynomial x squared, and combining these two, I get x minus 2. So this is a multiplication of these two polynomial. This polynomial or binomial stays the same. Now I'm going to multiply these two. So now I made a box where the top polynomial would be x squared, x, and negative 2. That goes on the top. X minus 3 goes on the side. And I'm going to complete this box by multiplying x with each and every term on the top here. So I got x cubed, x squared, and negative 2x. Now I'm going to complete this row by multiplying negative 3 to the terms on the top, and I got negative 3x squared, negative 3x plus 6. Now I'm going to combine the like terms. So x cubed, I don't have any like term, I'll leave it as it is. Combining these two, I get negative 2x squared. Combining these two, I get negative 5x and plus 6.